There's Mr. Roadrunner. See if I can back up just a little bit. And he's actually chasing, there he is. He's actually chasing after a female. There he goes. See, they're playing like Ring Around the Rosie. There he is up there. And the other one's down here. See him? There they go. Oh, he's gonna go right in front of my car. Look at that, he's got his nerve. Oh. And the other one's over there. Right behind the flying pig. I can tell the male because he's flaring out his tail just like a peacock. See, the other one's right there. So they're kind of lower my window here. See? I think that's the male. See, hear the noise? Hope you can hear that. That's the male, and he's flaring out his tail. This is the female. She's trying to figure out what the hell just happened. I blocked them. Here. I really don't want to go any closer because I know they'll run away. And let me tell you, these suckers can run. There he goes. I tell you, and they're gone. There you go. Returning to the scene of the crime. And they're both gone. Oh no, the one's way, way over there. All right, guys. Stay happy, stay healthy. Catch you next time. Bye.